All right, we've got another of my great outdoors. This is an awesome little pool area. I like how they did these curtains. Those are outdoor curtains that you can pull and get some more privacy or cut some wind or sunshine. We are directly on the golf course, as you can see. We have a golfer out there. It has been raining today, so it's a little overcast. We've got an awesome view of the lake. I can see 4 or 5 sand traps. Hopefully he didn't just go and didn't just put his ball in one. But check this pool out. Very bright blue. It's what you want your pool to look like when you have one. It's just really refreshing looking. Always think about the outdoor shower. That's definitely a plus. And like I said, we got a nice little area out here. And check it out. Check out Great Outdoors of Florida.